About 2 years ago, Moss International came to us with a project. They needed a jingle for Vicks Medicated cough drops, but the specifications were not just another spot. The air was just too crowded with musical commercials as it was, and a distinctive new sound had to be found. That, ladies and gentlemen, was the trigger that got us started in this new area of electronic music and advertising. This is the first version of our electronic music machine, the one used to create our earliest electronic spot, or semi-electronic spot to be more exact. The singing voice you will hear in this next tape is not electronic, not at all. It's Dorothy's. I'd better add the cough is not electronic either. Okay, Chuck, the tape.
Get Vicks Medicated cough drops. Vic'll soothe the tickle away. Get Vicks Medicated cough drops. Pick up a pack or two today. When you're coughing and your throat is raw and sore, it makes good sense to fix it quick. Remember, Vic medication makes the difference. Get Vicks Medicated cough drops. Pick up a pack or two today. Pick up a pack or two today.